Hancock, Maryland to watch the No Prep drag race. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope you all enjoy. We took a wrong turn. It would make sense if the drag race is at the airport. We should probably go down Airport Road instead of River Road. Lots and lots of Fox body Mustangs here. Lots of Fox bodies. Oh, look at that one. Look at that orange. That burnt orange. Diablo. Uh-huh. Oh, buddy, look at that. That is what I am talking about right there. Look at this. Alright guys, so this Fox body Mustang really caught my attention. The paint job on this thing is sweet with the $100 bills getting pulled into the inlet on the turbo there in the front. Anyway, these guys were super nice, and if you want to follow them yourselves, their name on Instagram is 60_9 Racing. They're also doing some dirt track racing, and if you stay tuned, you'll see how they end up doing in the drag race. Freaking awesome. Here, can you hold this for a sec? Alright, I got it. Thank you. Goodness, look at that. That's awesome.
He's like pumped for the race. He's like,
look at Mr. Fluffy over here. This boy here just lit him up.
Thanks, JD, guys. Sabotage. Right lane, Francis, moving on. Which way you go, left or right? Oh, taking the wagon. Street Outlaws and no pumpkin. That is the one and only Mr. Chris Rankin. Closest ditch to twin turbo cars. Main man Adam standing here watching. Adam, how's the life out there on the road? You guys ditching turbos, going pro chargers. You only got like a couple bolts holding them on versus all that hot pipe and everything else. Is it a different world out there now?
It's definitely a different world. The pro charger life is way better.
So is that better because you're not rebuilding the car as often, or Chris just doesn't break it as often?
Not rebuilding as often, and it's 60 foot better.
But 60 foot doesn't win a race, does it?
It doesn't, no prep teams.
It's that close. If you're not wanting 60 feet, just let go and save it. Is that what you're saying?
That's what I'm saying.
There's no win or lose at the line, at the finish line. It's all at the start line. I think he's going to food line by Wiz. I didn't know we were running a 10-0 class. So really, though, Adam, you know, you've been with Chris for a while, and by this round, Keith Pitstop got the bye.
yeah. I don't even know if I can get. Might be able to see it from over here.
Sun's on the wrong side of the track.
Oh, there we go. That truck was beautiful, man.
Maybe he didn't jump, he was just late.
Something on your end. Well, you know, Robbie, you came up here at the airport, you made a few passes early on, and you've been in this situation quite a few times this year with some money on the trunk of this car.
Yeah, I like it that way. I mean, it was awesome with me and Keith. I mean, when we come together, you know, it's good to be in the final together. Big racing earlier, so that's what we want.
Anybody you really want to thank to put you in this lane today?
You know, my wife, you know, without her, you know, with dirt track racing, I can do everything myself pretty much, but this is definitely needed for her. So, you know, she puts me in the lane good enough. And my son, he helps with the tire pressure prep. Other than that, you know, Brady, he helps me out, you know, if I get questions, he's super smart with electrical stuff. So I was having GPS issues because we talked about it.
So it's everybody in the family keeps this car moving.
All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Andrew with Wagon Works Automotive, and in case you all wanted to know, they do these drag races in Hancock, Maryland about once a month. And if you want to learn more, go to Facebook and type in No Bullshit Ball Racing. Thank you all. Hope you all enjoyed it, and have a nice day.